So today we finally got a break in the humidity, so out at the shop doing some work. Focus for today is working on that party bus behind me, but I do want to get this oil analysis sent off. So this is a kit I ordered from Blackstone Labs. You can order the kit online. It's free to order the kit. They'll mail it to you. And what you do is you take a sample of the engine oil and then mail it back to them. And for 30 bucks or so, they will do an analysis on the oil and send it back to you with some information about what kind of contaminants are in the oil. That'll tell you if you've got issues going on inside the engine, if there's high metallic counts or things like that. Since this particular bus has about 260,000 miles on it, my mechanic and I want to do this analysis and kind of see what kind of shape the engine's in. We're definitely going to be doing some resealing. There's a little bit of an oil leak up there. But if the engine is showing, high metallic counts or things like that, we will probably do a full-blown overhaul on it. So this is the kit, what it comes with. A couple of stickers. There's a registration card. You fill out the information about, my address, credit card number, and a little bit of information about the bus. Comes with the instruction sheet. They're kind of funny with some of the comments. Don't drink your oil, don't send them blood, that kind of stuff. Prepaid label, so it doesn't cost anything to ship it back. So what we're going to do is take you up front. We're going to open up the drain on the oil pan. We're going to fill that white container, and then we're going to wrap it in this oil absorbent cloth and put it inside the black container, and then put it back inside this mailing bag, and then take it to the post office and ship it off. So we're going to grab these. And we've got some extra shop towels and a ratchet, and my oil catches under here. And there's the drain plug. I'm not going to do a full oil change on this thing right now. I'm just going to open it up enough to get a little oil flow and catch a sample, and then I'll top it off with a little bit of clean. I'm not ready to do a full change on this thing yet, so I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time, so we'll pause the video and be back in a minute. Okay, as expected, that made a colossal mess, but that's what shop towels and gloves are for. But we now have a full sample. Okay, so we got the clean sample. We're going to put that inside of the absorbent cloth, inside that plastic bag, and then inside that plastic container. Okay, just like that, we're done. Take this over to my workbench. I'm going to fill out the card and get this ready to mail in, and then I think it takes about a week or so. We'll have results, and we'll go over those with my mechanic and go from there. So this is the website for Blackstone Labs. This is where I came in and ordered the container. So what I'm going to do now is, while I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and pay for the test ahead of time. That way I don't have to send my credit card information on that little postcard through the mail. According to the little postcard, you can make the payment on here and then put the confirmation number on the postcard. That way they already have my email address in here and can email me the results. So the website to do this is blackstone-labs.com.